Mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. You can see what these kids are doing here. Make sure you and your team are ready. Then you just record your video like this. It must not necessarily be fast or whatsoever. Just do your thing your way. You can even do it slower than they are doing it now, so that when you get to your CapCut app, then you do your editing there. All right, so this is what you are going to do. Then after recording it, you can now just walk out. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial, sword fighting magic video. All right, so at this point you want to click on CapCut as we get started. So click on CapCut, click on new project now, import all these videos I've recorded here. All right, later I'll be showing you how to record your video. Import them to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it so that will silence the whole volume. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to mark out the parts of these videos you don't want. All right, the parts you felt they are not important to you in this video, click them one after the other. You mark them out. As you are clicking and splitting them, you are deleting them. Look at what I am going to be doing. You are cutting, you are marking out, you are splitting, and you are deleting. That is what you are going to do first. All right, after doing all that, as you can see that I am still cutting and I am still deleting, take time to do your own one after the other. You can decide to record your own ones. After that, you want to come back. What we are going to be doing now is we want to export this one. All right, click on export. After the whole thing, click on export. Then you allow this one to export successfully. All right, and try to watch this video to end so that you will learn something that will help you. All right, so allow this one to export 100%. okay, allow it to export. But now this is someone's request. Look at what is written here. Mr. Ken, I've been enjoying your tutorial, but please, I want you to make a tutorial on how to edit sword film. That is why we come up with this tutorial. Okay, so you exercise patience as we create this one together so that you will learn. So at this point, as you have exported it, all right, the next thing is for you to tell us what you feel, what you think, your opinion about this video. All right, and if you are out there, you have a request like this one on CapCut tricks or effects you want us to create together, go and drop that at the comment section. All right, if you love this video and you love what we are doing, you can just go and smash your like button. All right, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, you are welcome back to this tutorial. Now click on done, click on new project. Import this video you just exported now. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on the video. As you can see the video playing, we now want to turn it into a sword video. So you click it now, then you locate speed and click speed. All right, then you click on normal. You want to increase the speed to 1.8. all right, you want to increase the speed to 1.8 or thereabout. Then after that, you just play it. Let us see. You can see now he has turned to sword video. All right, you can see how it is when you look at it. Okay, if the speed is not enough, if you have not gotten what you want, you can still revisit that speed and you can decide to increase it to 2, which I am going to be doing soon. Look at this place where this young boy jump up, but before then, let us increase it to 2 first. Click on here, then you want to increase it to 2. Let us see how it's going to look after we increase it to 2. Look at how the video is playing now. All right, so at this point, I want to get to that place where this young man jump up, this little boy jump up. Let me show you another thing I want to do. All right, look at this place now. I want to come back, that place where he jump up. I want to split that point. Click this place now, click it, then you make a split. make a split, then you adjust it to a point, you want to make another split there, make another split now, then click on that middle one you split out and click on speed, click on that normal, then I want to turn this one to slow motion. All right, allow it to play again. Look at it. This is nice. So this is how to create this video. All right, locate the important parts of the video, the action parts of the video. You can decide to make it faster, you can decide to add slow motion. All right, this is how to create this sword fighting video. You can decide to be creating only this kind of video and you are posting it in your social media. You'll be getting so many views, all right, so many likes, you'll be getting comments, and you'll be getting traffic in your channel. You can decide to be creating only this kind of videos. All right, the only thing is just you can go and carve out maybe wooden knife, or you buy a plastic knife, create a team. You people will just practice, and after practicing you create this kind of video, add your sound and all that. After that you can be posting it in your pages, in your channels and all that. You'll be getting traffic, and you just, before you know it, you monetize your channel and you just start making money. All right, so after all this now, I don't like here, that is why I'm cutting it. I can decide to add it in overlay. After I mark out the part I don't want here, I can decide to add it in overlay so that it will blend. Click it and locate overlay. All right, locate overlay, then you add it in overlay. Look at overlay, then click on overlay, click it and drag it under this one. I just want to make it blend with this. Then after all this now, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export this your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. You just DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects, and after that you can now export this video to your gallery. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on export, then we export this video to our gallery. So click on export now, click on export, then you allow it to export completely. As you can see that the video is exporting, just allow the video to export 100%. Now this video have installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay guys, tell us your opinion. What do you think, or what do you make up of this video? And just in case you have another effect or tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. All right, if you have enjoyed this video and you love what we are doing, like our video, just smash your like button and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, help us to share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.